All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about how to use the Tesla Trip Planner to make your road trip smooth and efficient. Tesla's built-in trip planner is an awesome tool designed to map out your journey, including charging stops along the way. Here's how to use it. 1. Open the navigation screen. Tap the navigation icon on your Tesla touchscreen. This brings up the map where you can input your destination. 2. Enter your destination. Type in the address or name of the place you're heading to. The trip planner will automatically calculate the best route and suggest supercharger stops as needed. 3. Check charging stops. Tesla Trip Planner factors in your battery level, the distance to your destination, and available superchargers along the way. It ensures you'll reach your stops with enough charge and minimizes charging time. 4. Monitor your battery usage. The Trip Planner provides an estimate of how much charge you'll have when you reach each stop or your final destination. Keep an eye on the projected battery percentage to stay on track. 5. Adjust your route. If you want to explore alternative routes or avoid specific superchargers, you can manually adjust the plan. Just tap a location on the map and add it as a waypoint. 6. Drive and relax. Once your trip is set, simply follow the directions. The car will notify you when it's time to stop and charge. Tesla's Trip Planner makes road trips stress-free by combining navigation with charging efficiency. It's like having a personal assistant that ensures you never run out of juice. And that's it. Be sure to check the link in the description for ways to make your Tesla adventures even better.